Here's how to hide reposts on TikTok in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. TikTok doesn't have a single hide reposts switch, but you can limit who sees your reposts using privacy settings and repost controls. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap Profile in the bottom right corner to open your account. Tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Turn on Private Account. Now, only approved followers can see your activity, including reposts. To hide reposts you already made, open the reposted video, tap the share arrow, then tap Remove Repost. Only repost videos you're okay with followers seeing, since reposts appear in their feeds. Reposts don't show as posts on your profile, but they do show in followers for you feeds unless your account is private. For maximum privacy, use a private account and remove reposts you don't want visible. And that's it. That's how you hide reposts on TikTok. Subscribe for more TikTok and phone tips.